much of the life I sold, gaining nothing once again. I dreamed I walked this path 1,000 times to my Creator, but I'm no closer. Then I remind myself, sometimes it rains, sometimes it rains, and there ain't nothing we can do to make a change. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it rains, and there ain't nothing you can say to make a change. Sometimes it rains. Wet all the tears a man can weep, burned my bridges once again. I thought I saw his smile for me to keep, his arms to hold me once again. I dreamed I clambered from the pit of dark to my Creator. I'm getting closer, and I remind myself, sometimes it rains, sometimes it rains, there ain't nothing we can do to make a change. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it rains, there ain't nothing you can say to make a change. Sometimes it rains. Standing all alone, naked, cold, your love surrounds me for all time. I tremble at your touch, your embrace of gold, hope and rapture forever mine. My dreams of love and joy safe in the thoughts of my Creator, my Creator. And I remind myself, sometimes it rains, sometimes it rains, there ain't nothing we can do to make a change. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it rains, there ain't nothing we can do to make a change. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it rains, there ain't nothing we can do to make a change. Sometimes